Welcome to a new lesson on Nextscale Media. In the last lesson, you understood what affiliate marketing is. In today's lesson, we will understand that if you want to work as an affiliate marketer, then what exactly do you need to do, right? So watch carefully. See, if you want to work as an affiliate marketer, then what do you need to do? You need to connect with some company as an affiliate, right? As an affiliate, you need to join some company, right? Now, how can you connect with a company? There are 3 or 4 ways through which you can connect with any company. The first method is affiliate network, right? What is the first method? Affiliate network. Now, what exactly is an affiliate network? Look carefully and understand. If you want to join as an affiliate, one option is that you go and find every single company one by one. But what is an affiliate network? An affiliate network is a platform where many companies are already connected, right? And when you become a part of that network, then you get the option to promote products from all those companies and earn commission on them. So suppose you joined one platform and there are already 100 companies connected to that platform. Now basically you can promote products from all those 100 companies. Now every network may work differently. In some networks, it may happen that if you want to promote company A, then inside that platform you need to fill out a form for company A that you want to become their affiliate. And if they approve you, then you can promote their product. So this is one method, affiliate network. For example, there is one network called VCommission, right? This is an Indian affiliate network. Now when you go to VCommission, you will see 2 options there. Advertisers and publishers. Now understand carefully, VCommission is an affiliate network, right? Now who is an advertiser? Advertiser is basically the company that wants affiliates to sell its products. For example, I am a company and I want many affiliates to sell my product. So I have 2 options. First option, I directly invite affiliates to my own platform and say, come become my affiliate and sell my product. Second option, I register on VCommission. And the moment I register on VCommission, thousands of affiliates already there can sell my product. So if I am a company that wants to sell products, and I register on VCommission, then I am called an advertiser, right? Now similarly, suppose you want to work as an affiliate. You want to sell other people's products and earn commission. Then what are you? You are a publisher, right? So as a publisher, you will go and sign up on VCommission. So most affiliate networks basically have these 2 options, advertiser and publisher. Publisher is the one who wants to work as an affiliate. Advertiser is the one who wants to sell products, right? Now VCommission is just one platform. In upcoming lessons, I will show you many more platforms where you can work. So option number 1 is, you can join an affiliate network, right? Now option number 2 is, you can directly join a company. How? For example, suppose I go to Amazon. Now on Amazon, you will see an option called, become an affiliate. Now Amazon itself is not exactly an affiliate network like VCommission, but I can directly go to Amazon, register there, and say, Amazon, I want to sell your products and earn commission. Amazon calls this program Amazon Associates. So I can directly join Amazon and promote Amazon products. How to join this, I will explain in upcoming lessons. Now the third method is, suppose you want to work as an affiliate and you visit a company's website, but there is no affiliate option available there. Then what can you do? In that case, you can directly send an email to that company. You can say, hey, I checked your website, but I didn't find any affiliate program option there. However, I would like to work as your affiliate. I have already done this and this. I have my own brand, or I have my own website. This much traffic comes there, and I believe my audience is relevant to your market. So I would like to work as your affiliate. Can help both of us. You will get sales, and I will earn commission. So let me know what you think, and let me know how we can proceed. So in this way, you can directly connect with companies. Apart from that, you can also leave your contact details on your YouTube videos. or on your website. For example, you can write, "For collaboration contact." Then companies may contact you directly and say, "We saw that you have this audience, and we would like you to promote our product, and for every sale, you will get this much commission." So through that also, you can work as an affiliate. But broadly speaking, there are two main ways. First, affiliate network. Second, direct company join. But there is one thing that most people ignore, and that is where a lot of money is. That is, direct outreach. For example, suppose there is an education company that sells online courses. Or for example, let's say I have many online courses. Now if you believe that you have an audience who can buy my courses, then you can directly email me and say, "Deepak, I would like to sell your courses, and if it makes sense to me, then I can work with you as an affiliate. You will sell my products, and I will pay you commission," right? So there are many ways. This third method can actually be highly profitable, right? So these were the major ways that you can use to work as an affiliate. And remember, whenever you join any affiliate network, you will usually find only two options: advertiser sign up and publisher sign up, right? So thank you so much for watching this video.